Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Department of Chemistry jong ka school ba Nehu, haka Sautari ujuleo arajar khat khandai, kalapan hair da ka Dorcas Dawa. Show Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba Northeastern Hill University, ban Dawa ba daiban Khang no Shisendon, naka ba Jingpyndonkam ya ke plastik, hapo upot usam jong ka school ba Nehu. Shua gani ki samla bat kino hikai jong ka Department of Chemistry, kila penlong da ka jingye ya pait ba, hapo upot usam ka school ba Nehu, da ka bararu ya ki jingto ki ba kren persya, ya ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki plastik, namar ba ki kita bat pensniudur, ya ki saudong saukun jong ka may mariang. U Professor A.K. Chandra, who head jong Department of Chemistry, haka jing keren bat ka Batisi TV, ula ong baka department ka sngau khia bahaya ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki plastik, hapo upot usam ka school ba Nehu, ka bawan ra ka jing isait met hadu kata-kata. Ula ya thoru baka department kala kentu ya ki bor penyat ka school ba Nehu, bakin penmi da ka hukum ka ba Khang bat mana ban Jingpyndonkam ya ki plastik hagi department, hagi dukan, hagi hostel, hagi kantin, bat ki cafe.
Take some small step, we can reduce it. I can give you one example actually, that in planes people use air conditioners and all. Here we don't use. They are, even if you raise your air conditioner temperature, because many people I know, even some of my own family members also, they used to do that. They will reduce the air conditioner temperature and then they will use a blanket, okay? But they don't realize, okay? If you keep your air conditioner temperature say 28, 29, okay, that's good enough. But that is one small thing we can do. Second thing is that many of us, we use room freshener, body freshener and all, okay, never realizing that, okay, we may feel good with that smell and all, okay, but we never realize that how much chemicals we are putting in the atmosphere, okay, and many of them it contains CFCs and all, okay, and as you know, CFCs is very dangerous to our climate, okay. So there are several small things which we can take care in our personal life also, okay, like sharing a car, increasing the temperature of AC, try to avoid use this kind of things, isn't it? And of course one of the major thing is plastic, because that is one of the worst pollutant in the earth. So my sincere request to all of you, that whatever we can practice in our own life, we must do that. At the same time, it is our duty also to raise awareness among the people, okay? Because for every one of us, there may be hundreds of people who still doesn't know what is global warming, what is climate change, what is microplastics, okay? So it is also our duty to educate people that what are the danger of these things, how we can avoid it as far as possible, okay? So whatever we are doing today, it is just not for today. It is to realize that what we need to do as a society and as an individual also. So we, the members of the Chemistry Club, Department of Chemistry, Nehu, place that we shall remain dedicated to the protection of the environment. And devote ourselves to the cause of a plastic-free society. We shall not use plastic bags anymore. And switch to environmentally suitable alternatives instead. We shall not litter. And instead dispose plastic waste properly with an aim to reduce environmental pollution. We shall also encourage our relatives, friends and colleagues to join us in this endeavor in the quest of a plastic-free campus and the nation at a large. Thank you.
वो पुराना
So we once again urge your good office and urge you also personally to maybe you can take some further action so that we can reduce it. So I am giving you this memorandum again on behalf of the teacher as well as on behalf of my department. And I also request you just to say a few words to our students, and some of our colleagues are also here.
I'm really happy that we are celebrating this Environment Day with much gaiety, and this kind of awareness is required among the campus people, campus dwellers. Last year also we have tried our level best to reduce the use of plastics. I know it is difficult to completely ban it, but definitely you will find from last year there is certain improvement. Earlier all the roads were littered with plastics. Now it is little reduced, but still I am not happy. The amount of reduction is very little, but certainly the departments which are under our control, like the guest houses, academic departments, as well as the administration. Here we have made it a point that whatever kinds of disposable things are being used, it should not be of plastic kind. Preferably paper cups, paper plates are being used, so which doesn't have a health hazard and which doesn't clog our drains and other kinds of systems. But definitely we will try our level best, and once again with this awareness I congratulate all of you for bringing all this awareness to administration as well as to the university fraternity. Thank you once again.